All right, we got a 350Z here, 03. It has the 370Z headers, test pipes, Nismo full exhaust system, JWT intake, and an NWP 75mm throttle body. Motordyne plenum spacer. So this will be a cold start. Oil pressure. All in all, not a bad sound at all. A lot of them are really loud. Now this one will be raspier when I'm on the highway, you know, decent speeds and stuff. So this is going to be like a little acceleration, so it's kind of how it sounds on, I don't know, quarter throttle. So a little louder in that aspect, but as soon as you get to like planed out, or I let off the gas a little, it's fine. Below 3,000 RPMs, you don't really hear it all that much at all. Figured I'd shoot a video at speed, that way you would know, what the highway drone's kind of like. So you can hear it a little bit. I'm at see, close to 80 mile an hour, which is a little higher RPMs in this car just because I have the 3.5 rear end and an auto. But yeah, not too bad on the sound. Nismo exhaust, 370Z headers, and then test pipes to go with that. So it's wide open exhaust system. So not bad all in all. Video? Alright, so this is, it's already warmed up, ready to go, so we're going to give some revs to, so you can hear what it sounds like at operating temperature from the outside.